We're all unboxing the Apres Gel system. So it comes with this cute case, as you can see, steady. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we got a nail file, 180. We got the pH bonder, very nice. We have the primer. Okay. We also have the extended gel. Oops, get it out. And the top gel coat. Okay, nice size. We also had the mini lamp. And I believe I saw here like the charger somewhere in here. There it is. Charger and a cord, I guess, for instructions and stuff. Let's see. I believe it does come with the box of tips, which is right here. Like I said, this is a nice case to keep everything together and organized. Oops. Here's the box. I did order another box because I wanted to try different shapes. This one is a stiletto medium, and this one is sculpted coffin long. Okay. As you can see, they're pretty thick, which is right there. Very nice. Nice size. Okay. Those are the coffin. And these right here are the stilettos. Like I said, the ones are nice sizes as well. It's medium. Very nice. Okay. So I will be making a video about my first set, and I'll keep you guys updated. This is it. Thank you.